mathematicians. We are learning, well, we do have one more subtraction strategy to learn. But this subtraction strategy that we're learning today is very similar to the one that we're going to learn next. So we can say that we have one more strategy to learn. And I'll tell you this strategy is fantastic. I really enjoy this strategy. You'll see why in a little bit. You don't have to subtract. You don't have to subtract in a subtraction problem? Look at the name really quick. Adding up to find the difference. How? I'm going to show you right now. Here we go. So we have the number 638 and 293. What do we call this number? Does anybody remember? There's a hint right here. Mr. Ashraf?
A minuend?
Yes, this is the minuend. What is this number right here? Mr. William? Subtrahend. Everybody say it.
Subtrahend.
Miss Indigo? So we have 638 minus 293. First. Start with the subtrahend and add up to the minuend. We start with the smaller number. We can say that's the subtrahend right now in 3rd grade. We start with the smaller number, the subtrahend, and add up to the larger number, the minuend. Here we go. I need to add something to 293 to make it nice and round. Nice and round. I need to add a number to 293 to make it a round number. I'm going to add 7. I'm going to add 7 to 293 to get 7 plus 3 gives me 10. Oh! So 90 plus 10 actually equals 100. I've got a really nice round number now. Is that a really nice round number? 300? Yes. Look, 2 round zeros. Okay. Now, I'm going to add up to 638. So I have to continue to add to this number. So I'm going to bring it right down here. 300 plus. Now, what can I add to 300 to get closer to 638? Put your hands down. I'm just going to talk out loud to myself right now. I'm going to add 300. Going to add 300 to get to 600. Am I getting close? Sure am. I'm getting closer and closer to 638. Now I'm going to continue to add to 600. To get to 638. What can I add now? Well, I don't have any 10s here, so I'm going to add the 30. I'm going to add 30 to this to get really close to 638. 630 now. And let me, I'm going to continue adding till I get to 638. What do I need to add now? 630 plus 8. I need to add 8 to get to. All right. Guess what color I'm going to use right now to write this answer? Elmay? Yes, blue. 638. Because I just reached the minuend. I just reached the larger number, didn't I? Now you're probably wondering, how did I find the answer doing this? Can you kind of think, where is the answer? Put your hands down. You can give me a thumbs up in front of your belly if you know it, if you got it. But before I tell you the answer, I gotta write right here what our next step is. So finally, get the sum of all the numbers so scoot over so you can see, because if you miss this step, it's not good. So finally, get the sum of all the numbers you added to reach the minuend. All right, let's talk about this. Finally, get the sum of all the numbers you added to reach the minuend. What are those numbers we added to the subtrahend to get to the minuend? Hello, Jane?
The last, how much, like, the last part?
Can you tell me what color?
3 of them are black and the last one is blue.
Oh, actually, no. What did I add? Get the sum of all the numbers. I'll put this in red. You added to reach this number.
630.
Did I add these numbers to get there? No. Let's try something else. Give me a thumbs up, Aisha.
All the red numbers.
All the red numbers. Get the sum of all these numbers you added to this to get to the minuend. All right. So I don't have much space here, but here we go. 7, well, plus 300 plus 30 plus 8. Okay. And what does that give me? Miss Laura?
345.
Yeah, you're right. 345. And there is my answer, my difference. Because we just found the difference.